Welcome both developments. They can do their worst. I can do better in my performance as a worker in government, period. May I reiterate that I will comply with my promises, the basic things, like for example, corruption, drugs, and criminality. I will deliver on my promises. Listen to me, even if it would cost me my life, my honor, and the presidency. Kaya kong bitawan lahat yan, pawala sa akin. But I will comply with my promise. The drive against corruption, the drive against criminality and drugs will resume, and it will continue, and it will be brutal if they do not understand the role of government. Suppression includes all. I will not be intimidated, and I shall not be stopped by just International Criminal Court. Impeachment, that's, if that is part of my destiny, it is my destiny to go. Ganun lang yan. Palad-palad lang.
Yes, sir.
Maybe God gave me only 2 years, 6 months, 1 year and a half to be president of this country. Fine. Basta let it not be said na hindi ko binigay ang pinangako ko.